Hey, it's Steaky from 680 The Fan Steak Shapiro with my friends Damian and Mayra from Crown Realty Group.
Hey, Brandon Barnes here and
Vanessa Barnes.
My wife. We're co-owners at B&M Property Solutions, and we do a lot of deals here in Atlanta with the Crown Realty team. So we met Mayra and Damian from Crown Realty. I believe that was through a mutual friend, Joanne Tan, one of my favorite investor friends. I told her that I wanted to list some of the wholesale properties that we were acquiring on the MLS, and she said, you have to go speak to Mayra, and that was the best thing that I could have done because she knew her stuff and she knew what it would sell for as is. And that expertise allowed us to sell a lot of deals on the MLS for top dollar. So definitely glad that we met. We sold a lot of homes with Mayra's team, Crown Realty, but I say just this year, at least 20. Just this calendar year, and I know we did some last year as well, but we ramped up with them and they were able to help us quickly dispose of these properties, quickly sell them on the MLS, and gave us great customer service along the way.
So Mayra and her team at Crown Realty, from listing to when it was sold, she helped us out, great customer service, helped us in a bind, sending out some of her agents even to some of our properties. We definitely love dealing with her and her team. She just makes it a pleasurable experience. Definitely care about their clients. They treat each one with love, kindness, really just helps them out from start to finish. It makes dealing with a real estate agent a pleasurable experience.
Yeah, for sure. They were great from start to finish. The recommendations that Crown Realty team gave us was they always gave us a great list price, even sometimes an offer price, how to negotiate better with sellers, and even dealing with tenants at the point of the inspection and the walkthrough. So they were really great from start to finish and help us get the deals closed. And what's changed from when we were doing this on our own to working with them is, we just actually started to turn these deals around even quicker because they, let us know like, hey, this is what you should offer. This is what's acceptable. These are the best offers. They call for highest and best every time and make sure that we got the most out of our deals and we close very timely. So it was a great, curve for us to, be able to start to do deals at a quicker pace. Hey, yes, we would definitely recommend Mayra and Damian and their team. Crown Realty, they've done a great job with us, and I think they'll do a great job with anybody that they come in service with because they know how to do this business and do it right.